Hello, it's me, Garcia Mark Jarrell B, third year BS Marine student at PIMSAT Colleges. So today, I'll discuss the new technology that can aid to the compliance to marine environmental protection. So, ClearBot. ClearBot is a new technology that can aid in the compliance to marine environmental protection. ClearBot is a AI-powered autonomous boats for marine services. ClearBot is a Hong Kong-based company that designs and manufactures AI-powered self-driving electric boats. These robots are primarily used for environmental cleanup, but their capabilities extend to various other marine services. ClearBot is primary function is the autonomous collection of trash, oil, and invasive aquatic weeds from waterways. Their flagship model, the ClearBot Neo, can collect up to 15 liters of oil and 200 kilograms of floating trash daily. This significantly reduces the need for manual labor, making cleanup more efficient and cost-effective. The robots are AI-powered vision to identify and collect debris, and they are designed to operate autonomously even in challenging conditions. The collected data on waste types and locations provide valuable insights for improving waste management strategies. ClearBot is an innovative solution designed to address the growing problem of marine pollution, particularly plastic waste. It is an autonomous electric robotic boat that uses AI to identify and collect debris from waterways. ClearBot directly removes plastic waste and other debris from oceans, rivers, and harbors, reducing the amount of pollution in these environments. ClearBot is a promising technology for marine environmental protection. Its ability to directly remove debris, collected data, and operate sustainably makes it a valuable tool for addressing the global challenge of plastic pollution. By reducing plastic waste in waterways, ClearBot helps protect marine life, improve water quality, and preserve marine habitats. So, ClearBot is one of the new technologies that can aid in the compliance of the marine environment. I hope you learned. Thank you.